Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are obviously connected with the date and time. However, right now we cannot change them manually because we've got the date, time and the time zone set automatically. So let's first of all turn off this option, and as you can see right now we've got the date option, so just by swiping we can change the date. Why is it so loud? Okay. Now the time, the same situation, just by swiping. Let me change it because it's too loud for sure. All right, tap on OK and it will be immediately applied. We can also change the time zone. Just tap on it and here we've got all of the time zones which are available, so find yours and tap on it and let me randomly pick this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and of course the time will be affected by the time zone. Here you can decide whether you want to use the dual clocks, which simply means that after applying this option your device will show you two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second one from another place of your choice. You can pick whichever city you want to. It's up to you if you want to use this option, and also you can customize the time format. Currently we're using 24-hour one. We can also use 12-hour one just by turning off this option. So this is the manual customization of the date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.